let's talk about your assessment. If you take the full version, you're going to get a personalized assessment that is going to help you to identify what your personality type is. I'll also give you directions for how to complete that assessment and also how to know which one of your personalities or personality temperaments reign strongest. I'll also have an introspective activity that you'll be able to do that'll help you flesh out some of these things. And then we're going to actually compare what you do in your fleshing out time with research. And we'll see how research does. I'm going to just show you a sample of what you will see. I will talk about the guide, or what is the phlegmatic, or in the true colors, the blue temperament. I will go in exhaustive detail about them and how communication is of strong value for this temperament. And I also like to indicate varied communication. So that means that they might communicate through video. They might communicate best with words in journaling. Right? They might communicate, in a lot of different ways, physically. If you know about Gardner's multiple types of intelligence, there's lots of ways for communication. And anyone that leans toward that expression commonly is a phlegmatic, or what I call the guide. Then people and interaction are very important to this temperament. So if this would be your temperament, you would find that you enjoy being around people. Now, you may be an introvert, you may be an extrovert. We don't get into that in my training. That's just a little too complex and takes more time to really kind of flesh out. But I will say is that people and interaction is so important for this temperament. They love to be around people. They love to encourage, inspire, and motivate people to be better. If you think about coaches, individuals who are personal coaches, they tend to be this temperament because mentorship seems to come very natural to individuals with this temperament. So when interacting with them, they may give you advice and support you and help you, and they're doing it out of their intrinsic skills and abilities to be who they are. You'll also see some famous people that I believe are of this temperament in each of the colors and the phlegmatics and the guides, or whatever you want to call it. So you know what? That's your sample. It's over. So I encourage you to sign up and take advantage of this personal time where you're going to be able to learn a little bit more about who you are, tap into your skills and your strengths, but also get valuable information to help you get along with just about anybody. Because in the actual module, we're going to talk about stressors. And most stressors are only people trying to live out their truest selves more often than not. Now, you have butt heads, okay? You have people that are going to be there to just annoy you. But for the most part, most people aren't trying to annoy you. They didn't wake up in the morning and say, hey, I am going to inspire you so much it's going to get on your nerves. No, it's them being their truest, most authentic selves. So with that, I thank you for watching and being part of this very short sample. And I hope you will definitely sign up and join and subscribe to learn how you can take the full version and really be your truest self in this world of people that need to see it. Thank you.